this is what we're working with, the 2006 Saturn Vue. We're gonna do an oil change on her. First thing you're gonna wanna do is get the thing jacked up in the front, particularly the front passenger tire, because that's where you're gonna be working at, right underneath there. You're gonna want it jacked up, or how I have it, on a railroad tie wood thing. I can't think of what the exact name is, but it don't matter. Next thing, you're gonna want to put some blocks back here. I don't have any blocks back here, but you're definitely gonna want to put your emergency brake located in between your driver's side and your passenger seats. Make sure your vehicle is off and it's cooled off for a while. Next, now make sure you need an oil pan, because you need to have somewhere to put where all this oil is going to drain off to. And you're going to need a 5/8 socket to loosen the bolt for have all the oil drain out. Now, see how we can do about getting this recorded. Okay, under the front passenger area, my. This is the bolt. Right there. There's the passenger tire. Then you move right over, and there she is. Right there. Gonna loosen her up. I'm gonna set this down low right now because it's kinda hard to do this way. Okay, here's the bolt that was holding the oil in. Last time I checked, she's still draining. Right there. That's where she is. She's about done draining. Then we're gonna need to change the oil. I mean, not the oil, but the oil filter, and make sure this bolt's cleaned back up before it goes back in. Otherwise, it won't be a proper connection. Okay, see that orange thing right there? That's the old oil filter. That's what we're after next. Right next, there's your front passenger tire, and there she is right there. Okay, here we go. Put your arm right up in between there and turn left to loosen her up. Oh, see that? There she's already pouring. Ooh, there she goes. And then you just slowly turn until she falls off. That was a frame one from Walmart. I'm not sure what, I think it was a cheap one. Fram Extra Guard. I'm not sure which one I picked up this time. The one I picked up this time, though, is supposed to be good for 10. Oh, there she goes. There she is. Then let her sit like that. Shows she can keep on dripping for a while. Get her all up and out of there clean. And then we'll install the new oil filter and put the bolt back on and fill her up with some fresh oil. Put the bolt back on. Turn right. Righty tighty. There we go. Okay. What we're gonna put back on. Okay, I guess it was a tough guard. Ram tough guard. I guess the same one's going back on. It's this one right here, designed for 10,000 miles. I think it was like 5,000 miles since I did my oil change. Most older vehicles, you want to do it every 3,000 miles for an oil change, but it also depends on the type of your vehicle. Like my car, it automatically knows when it should get an oil change, so it's not actual 3,000 miles anymore. You can actually go longer than 3,000 miles, but consult your dealer or your car manufacturer for specifics. Like my car right here, it had like 25% oil life remaining till it recommended an oil change. We're also going to put in some Quaker State high mileage synthetic blend motor oil. I'm not exactly sure which one I put it in last time, but the vehicle right here takes SAE 5W20. Always put 5W20 in this vehicle. Synthetic blend is not necessary. However, it says right in the owner's manual that you can use it if you want, but my specific vehicle takes 4.5 quarts. It's 5 quart right here. So we're gonna put the oil filter on. We're gonna do it just like we did earlier, except you have to make sure it's lined up in order to, ouch. Oh, the rocks. Gravel driveway out back. Actually, this can't be the same kind because the other one was orange. I said the same thing though. But either way, turn right to tighten. Could be the left to loosen. Well, left to loosen and righty tighty. Put her on. Oh, there you go. Till it's nice snug fit. There we go. Okay, back to the front of the vehicle. Maybe I had it zoomed in. But anyway, front of your vehicle. If you have the style of vehicle mine has, you'll see this exact. We're looking at the front. Okay, the oil cap is right here. Turn left to loosen. Left to loosen, righty tighty. Put it right there on the hood. Take your oil. 5W20. Needs to be 5W20. I don't have a funnel with me at the moment. We're going to use this pop bottle roll. I'll be right back with a knife. Okay, I'm back. I don't have a funnel on where I put it, but we're going to use a pop bottle. 20-ounce pop bottle. Cut off the bottom. Remove the cap. That'll be a good funnel, because getting that right there, down right there is not the best idea. Then just pour. Good. Just don't go too fast. Okay, the last thing you need to do to finish your oil change is to reset your oil cycle. Put your car in ignition, turn it to on, but don't start your vehicle. And then you're supposed to press the gas pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. See that right there? Reset.